Hi guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. As you can see, today's video is a little bit different. It's a craft haul. Well, it's a haul unboxing at the same time because I've received some Easter goodies from Cultura, the craft brand here in France that I am an ambassador for. And I showed you guys a little shopping trip that I did a few weeks ago in store, but the brand was also kind enough to send me some goodies in the post. So I received them yesterday and I thought I'd share them with you guys. Hopefully you feel inspired to get crafty and get creative and decorate something fun for Easter. And of course, I'll be sure to leave the links down in the description box to all the products that they have sent me, so that if you live here in France, you can go to Cultura online or in store to get the same goodies. And if you don't live here in France, hopefully you feel inspired anyway, and you can get something similar and start crafting some really pretty decorations for your Easter party or to decorate your home this season. So I have the box here with me. I'll put it here on my lap so it's easier to grab everything to show you guys. Okay, so the first thing is this super adorable. It says Easter egg hunt on the front, and I think it's one of them little bags that you can actually, children can actually color it in. Let me just read here what it says. It's a tote bag to be decorated, so a pre-printed tote bag to decorate. So yes, so you can get some fabric pens or fabric paints and let the kids get creative decorating their own little tote for the Easter egg hunt. This is so adorable. And I've seen this in store, so when I went craft shopping last time, these little bags were already in store, so you guys can grab them. And most of the time, some of the products that may not be available at your local Cultura will be available online. So have a look online at the site first, and if you can't find what you're looking for in store, it's probably going to be available online. Ooh, I feel a little baking session coming on. Right, the next item are these little cookie cutters. They are so adorable and so handy for Easter, and it comes with a big bunny, and it has like a little support so the bunny will stand up after you bake the cookies. And then you have a little sheep, it seems, a small little bunny, and an Easter egg. So this gives me some ideas for a little craft project, a little baking session with my kids for Easter. It's just so cool and really handy. There you go. Next up, we have some little goodie bags. They're craft food bags, and I don't know how many prints there are, but there are 6 bags inside, and they are so adorable. I can see in the front here a little one with a Easter basket, kind of like farmhouse look, and this will be really good for the kind of neutral Easter decor. And obviously if you're making some cookies for Easter, you can put your little cookies inside these little bags, and I think it'll be so adorable. And on the back here I can see one with a little bunny, so I don't know if this is the back of the bags and this is the front, or they're all printed like this. And at the front it also has really faint here, you probably can't see it on camera, but it says the beautiful eggs here. So these are really going to come in handy as well for party favors. I think it looks so cute on each place setting. So there's that if you like neutral farmhouse decor, so this one is a good one to grab. Right, next up are these wooden pieces, and you guys know, as you can probably see behind me, I love the little bunny and Easter wooden decorations, I guess, little pieces that you can decorate, that you can paint, and you can, you know, use paints and scrapbook paper and tissue paper to decorate them however you like. And they have sent me 2 of these, and I think these would be really cool for tier trays, you know, like decorate tier trays, one on the top, one on the bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna make with these yet, but if you guys have any ideas for any of the products that you can see here and you think, oh, that'd be good for something, let me know that in the comments as suggestions, or maybe something you'd like to see me create. Again, once again, leave it down in the comments so that I can actually make it for you guys. Ooh, we got some washi tape. And how many have we got here? We have 4-meter washi tapes, and we have 6 different types, and they're all Easter themed. So we have Happy Easter, or Joyeuse Pâques, we have Easter eggs, we have some foliage and florals, we have Easter bunnies in pink, and we have pastel colors, Easter bunnies as well. So we have pinks, yellows, pinks, yellows, greens, blues, and I think lilac as well. And there's a speckled kind of like black and white one, which again is really nice for neutral colored Easter decor. So these will be really good as well for decorating, for crafting. But also I'm thinking if you make those cookies, put them inside those bags and then seal it up with a little bit of washi tape. That was so easy and makes the packaging look so adorable. So thank you, Cultura. They sent me, oh my gosh, these are new. They weren't in store last year, and they're a little wooden basket with a couple of polystyrene eggs, and it also comes with some green grass inside, paper grass. And these are so cute. How adorable are these, you guys? I'm thinking these would make really good planters as well. What do you guys think? I know it's a bit small and it has the little rod here, but if you didn't want to fill them with eggs, say if you haven't got kids, maybe you want to decorate for Easter and you don't want to make it look too whimsical, too childlike, I think you can put little pansies and little primroses here, and I think it'll make a really nice little Easter planter, or even something for a table centerpiece, you know, like filled with flowers and fresh or faux flowers, you know. I think it'd look really cool. But I'm thinking the front here would be so good to decorate, and the kids would love painting these. I know my daughter loves crafting and sometimes she crafts with me, and I think these would be a hit. And they sent two. So one for my son, he's a teenager now, but I think he'll like it as well. Filled with Easter eggs and chocolate eggs, who wouldn't? So I don't know, I think I'm gonna use these as a table centerpiece. Again, let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions for any of the products that I'm showing you guys today. What do we have here? All right, we have a little pack of stickers. They're foam stickers and they're all Easter themed. So we have different colors. We have little flowers in orange, we have blue Easter eggs, yellow bunnies, and I think we got some green eggs as well. And there are 48 stickers all together, and they are so cute. I think they'll be really good once again as embellishment to packaging. They will be really good straw decorations, you know, like if you're setting up the table for Easter and you want something a little bit more whimsical, and you can just peel these off and stick on the little straws. I think they'll look so cute. Or even to decorate tableware, like if you have disposable tableware. We have some ribbon here, and they match really well with the washi tape that I showed you guys. So you have kind of like a similar pattern there, and there as well with the washi tape. Really cool for decorating packaging. So if you're making those Easter cookies, you can place them in little bags, tie a little ribbon on top, and voila, easy. So we have 5 different types here on this package, and they're 1 meter each. Natural cotton ribbons. There you go. So you have Happy Easter, you have the little bunnies, the floral designs, some leaves here in blue, I think. Oh no, they're feathers. And you have another Happy Easter with a little bunting here in the pastel colors. As you can see, they obviously love pastel colors like me. So this is handy because we'll match all the decor, all the items are pastel colors and they match with each other. So no problem with that. So you've already bought something and then you decide to buy the ribbons later, you know that everything is gonna match well. Oh, next up, they have sent me some of these food bags, the little transparent sachets. They have little bunnies printed, and once again they have the pastel colored bunnies that will match with the ribbons, with the washi tape, so that's really handy. And they have a yellow bottom as well, so you can fill these with chocolates that you make with your kids, with cookies, once again to give to teachers, neighbors, grandparents, or even to place them on each place setting. If you're setting Easter table and you want to give your guests a little party favor, and I think this will be adorable. Or if you don't bake, if you ain't got time to bake, you can just buy a bag of chocolate cookies or whatever, and if you decant them into these pretty little packages, you know, you make somebody's day and nobody will know that you didn't spend hours in the kitchen baking. So if you give somebody a gift and it's beautifully packaged, you know, you're halfway there. So these are really cool. These are new as well. I did not see them last year. How adorable are these? The little stickers, It's a sheet of round stickers and there are 2 sheets in there. And once again, the designs match with the clear food bags, with the washi tape, the ribbon, and everything else that they send me here. And again, in a pastel color, so you have pastel pinks, greens, blues, yellows, and lilac as well. And you have different designs and they match beautifully with the food bags. And I think these, to seal the transparent food bags filled with chocolates or cookies, it'll be really good. So you have Happy Easter, 2 different designs. You have a little bunny there, Easter basket filled with eggs, some more eggs, some of that farmhouse looking wire basket, some eggs, and these are like the white ones with the black and white little bunnies, and then you have the colored ones down here, and they are super cute. And you can use them on so many different craft projects, or even Easter cards. If you send those and make those, I think they'll be nice to seal the envelopes as well. We're nearly coming to the end of our box, and they sent also a scrapbook paper and colored A4, so the A4 size, and I'm presuming these are the different designs inside. I'm not quite, there are 25 sheets. I'm not quite sure if they are the different motifs inside. I'm pretty sure that that's how they package them. So you have like a blue background with the little chicks, you have Easter eggs, you have just like a different motif here in yellow, some polka dots, and these are like green, orange, yellow, and blue. And you know, perfect colors for Easter. You have little bunnies here, you have one with different Easter eggs with chicks and a little chicken here, and you have a carrots one. These are so good for so many projects. You can even use them and a little bit of glue, PVA glue, to decorate the Easter baskets. You can make things like napkin rings, you can make buffet cards, little banners to decorate your walls, your mantelpiece, and I think they are so cute. So let me just put them down here. Last but not least are these so adorable little bunnies. They're like little, they feel like they're like velvet or suede, and they're really heavy, so they feel like they're like ceramic little bunnies that have been covered in suede or some sort of material like that, so they're kind of like furry. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So you have a little pastel pink one here that is so cute, and we have 3 others. So we have a pastel green, kind of like a teal color, very light teal color, and is a slightly different shape. I have these in white, orange, I think, no, not orange, yellow and green, which is that I got last year, but these are new, so they are already available in store and online as well. And then we have a little blue one. So we have a little blue, a pink, and a green one. And with the yellow one that I already have and the white one, they make a beautiful little set. And I think they'd be so cute decorating a table for Easter at each place setting. I just love them so much. And there are 3 different shapes. So you have the pink and the green one. I think they're the same. Oh no, the pink one is kind of like, you know, lying down a little bit. This one, he's stood up to see what's going on, and the blue one, he's kind of looking to the side, so to see what's going on with his mates. So here you have the adorable little bunnies, and I am so grateful that the brand has sent me so many of these amazing goodies, and I can't wait to use everything and to craft with everything. And of course, I'll be sure to share them with you guys here on the channel. And if you have any suggestions, like I said, make sure to leave them down in the comments below so that I can follow up with your suggestions and maybe create something that you suggested and something that you like to see here on the channel. As always, if you've liked this kind of video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you want to see more of these craft hauls or these kind of vlog style videos, so that I can produce the content that you guys enjoy. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.